Okay, I wanted to go over this lab to help you out. A lot of the answers are in the images. Um, so there's the pre-lab, there's a couple of questions here. The second question here, why the rings would include both and light colored ring. So the answer is in this image to the right, where you have the light colored wood is from spring, early summer growth, and the dark colored wood is from when it's colder outside. So anyhow, so this is a pre-lab where you're answering and filling out questions. And then once you go here, you're going to a simulation. So you click on this website here, and this opens up. So one of the first questions is it says, choose 2 limitations that exist within the model and list them. So it says, here are some limitations, and it gives you 4 of them. So you choose from there. Why is it important to know that these limitations exist? Well, what we're looking at here is a simulation. It's a model, like it's not what we would actually be seeing true to life. So the first thing it says is use the moisture options to change the amount of precipitation for each growth year, click grow new ring, and then you want to match the provided sample by growing new rings. And then what do you notice about the width of the rings as the amount of moisture changes? So we're going to click moisture. All right. So what we're going to do is you either grow a ring with it being dry, normal, or wet. So let's try normal, grow a ring. And it says your tree ring matches. And then you continue to grow a new ring. And if you grow a ring and it says this tree ring isn't a match, try again. You remove the last ring and then you change the moisture level. Let's try dry. Nope. So we remove it. Let's try now wet. And it says your tree ring matches. And you're going to continue to do that until you've got your both sides match. And then you get a little graph of like what the moisture was like over the past 15 years. So you can look at how climate has changed over time. And then when you're done, you're going to screenshot this. You can use your snippet tool. To show that you did it, like finished, and then you put it in the slides right here. It says, use this snipping tool to copy and paste. What do you notice about the width of the rings as the amount of moisture changes? And then you're going to do the same thing with the temperature. So after you get done with this, let's pretend that we're done. So we go to home. Now we're going to temperature. So you're going to do the same thing with temperature. How does the tree ring grow with temperature changes? And then when you're finished, you're going to snip it and copy and paste it here. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to do moisture and temperature together. So temperature and moisture. So this one's a little bit trickier, but you should have a little bit of practice. So if it says you don't match, you're going to remove that ring. So let's see, the next one's kind of thin. So like maybe it's dry. Let's see. Nope, it doesn't match. So maybe it was warm. Oh, it matches. Okay, so it was warm and the moisture was normal. And then you're going to match one side up with the other side all the way over. And then you'll copy and paste that. And then answer these follow-up questions. And that is the tree